Hello, I just got this BLACK+DECKER sandy belt sander. So it's 3" by 21 belt sander. So I'm gonna test it today and see how it works and see what's the performance it's gonna give us. So basically, I heard a lot of people they're saying that's working perfect, and it do actually heavy duty sanding. So let's see what's the result gonna come later. Now I'm gonna open the box. So this is a new box here. This is the sander, and we're gonna take it out and we're gonna see the demonstration of this sander. So it looks like that, and there is a handle here that you can open, and you can adjust this hand up and down basically. And this is the belt sanding, how you can change it. It's very easy. So you just push it back in, then it tight, push it in, out again, and the sandpaper will come out like this. Very easy. It's called Easy Belt Go and the sander. So it's pretty good. Let's see what's gonna give us later. This is the one. Look. Okay, so this is the handle that you twist, and you can get the leverage of it up or down. And make sure, for your own safety, you have to unplug this one before you take the belt out. Belt, we can just go this way, and then we'll take it out. Alright guys, pretty easy. I got another belt that's 3x21. It's 80 grade. So I'm gonna try one of this one and see how it works. Belt, I think there is no direction for it. I believe so. Yes, there is a direction. Yeah. So there's some arrows in here. You have to follow them. So the arrows have to go according to the rotation of the belt, and it goes this way. Yeah, clockwise. And you go, you slide it in. Oh, that's good. And then you plug your own power here for your safety. Then you try. Okay. And there is this bag here. It's disposable bag for anything that you have inside, and then you can throw it. You just go this way, slip in, slip out. There's actually a trick for this. You cannot have it like flat all the way surface. You have to have it like different noises. It's good. Love it. That's how it works. Turn off. Okay, I'm gonna give you a close look to the machine here. Look, it's a perfect machine, and it's so nice. This is how it works. This is the final result I got for about 3 minutes, I think. Yeah, and it looks like this. See, this is dust we have from the grinder, from the sander.